Hmm.
Good evening, students. Today I am teaching 10th class first chapter real numbers exercise 2. Okay, what is the first one? Ma? Express each of the following number as a product of prime factors. Okay, prime factor. What the meaning of prime factor? A number having factors are prime numbers. Okay, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Okay, so how we can write as product of prime factors means by using prime factoration method. Okay, prime factoration method. Okay, how we can write? There is two methods, that is one is division method, another one is tree method. Okay, division method. So the number 140 we can divide with least prime number, that is 2 to 70 to 35 next 5 7 next 7 1 that is 140 is equal product of divisors 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. This method is called what? Division method. Okay, so you can divide with least prime number. Okay, so 2 17 140, 2 35 70, 5 7 35, 7 1 Okay, so here 2 into 2. Here 2 is multiple 2 times. You can add as 2 square into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. Here, what are the prime factors here? 2, 5, 7. What the given the question? Express each of the following number as a product of prime factors. So now the 140 you can write as product of prime factors. Okay. Next, second question. 156 same, this one is also same. 156, what the least prime number? 2. So here 2 7 14, remainder is 1. Okay, 6 2 8 next 2 13 9 next 3 13 next 13 1. So the 156 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 2 is multiple times, 2 times 2 square into 3 power 1 into 13 power 1. So the 156 we can write as product of prime factors. Here what are the prime factors? 2, 3, 13. Okay. So next third one 3, 8, 2, 5. Okay. So what is the least prime number? 2 ma. So the 2 is not divided the given number. Why? The last digit is 5 ma. Okay. Divisible by 2 in ma. A number which is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 and ma, a number which is divisible by 2, its unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, but here the unit digit is what ma? 5. So we can, what the divisible by 5? A number which is, its unit digit is either 5 or 0. Okay, now we can divide with 5 ma. So 5 7 ja, next 5 2 ja, 5 ja, next again 5, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, 5 ja. Again we can divide with 5, 5 2 ja, 5 9 ja. Okay, so next 29 1 ja. So 3 8 2 5 is equal 5 into 5 into 5 into 29. So 5 is multiplied one times, 3 times. We can write as 5 cube into 29 power 1. So the number 3825 you can write as product of prime factors. Next fourth one 5005. Here also same, unit digit is 5 ma. So you can divide with 5. So 51001. Okay. So next it is not divided with 2 ma. Why? Its unit digit is 1. Okay. So check with 3 ma. So 3 3 ja 9. Okay. 3 also not divided ma. Check 7. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 4 ja 7 3 ja. Again 11 11 1 ja 11 13 ja 13 1 ja. So 5005 is equal 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. The number is product of prime factors. Okay, next last one fifth one 7829. So 7829 is divided by 2 of, it is not divided with 2 ma. Next 3 also not divided ma. 5 7 7 is also not divided, ma. 11 not divide. 17, ma. 17 4 ja 68. 68 కదా 74 లో 68 పోతే 6 2 3 ja 7 ja. Okay, next 19 ma 19 1 ja 3 ja 13 1 ja. So 7 4 2 9 is equal 17 into 19 into 13. Okay, the product of prime factors. Second one, ma. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means a number we can write as product of prime factors, power of prime factors. Okay, so here first one 12 15 21 ma. LCM అంటే ma least common multiple, HCF అంటే highest common factor. Okay, so first we can write as product of power of prime factors. Okay, 12 15 21. Okay, 12 how you can write? 2 6 ja 2 3 ja 3 1 ja by using division method. 15 3 5 ja 5 1 ja. 21 3 7 ja 7 1 ja. Now we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 3 into 5 3 into 7. Okay, so what the question? Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by prime factorization method. Okay, how we can find the HCF in prime factorization method? Okay, so here what the condition means? How we can take HCF in these three numbers by using prime factorization method means take that least common multiple factor. Okay, here what the common factors here? 3 more. Okay, so in this 3 is the common factor. Here how many times multiple? 1 time. Here 1 time. Here 1 time. So what the least common multiple here? 3. So the 3 is the HCF. Okay, next how we can find LCM? Just quite opposite to HCF. Take highest multiple of all factors. HCF is the common factor. In LCM we take that all factors. Okay, so HCF is least common multiple factor is 3. Here 1 time, here 1 time, 1 time. Next LCM, highest multiple of all factors. First take that 2. How many factors are there here? 2 3 5 7. Okay, 2 how many times here? 2 times. 3 1 time, 5 1 time, 7 1 time. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, how we can find LCM in prime factorization method? Product of highest multiple of all factors. HCF అయితే least common multiple factor. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60, 67 ja 420. Okay, so what the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is 420. HCF is 3. Second one. Okay, find LCM and HCF of the following integers by prime factorization method. Okay, 17 how you can write? 17 into 1. 23 23 into 1. 29 29 into 1. So in these three numbers write as prime factors, product of prime factors. What is the common here? 1. Okay, so HCF is 1. LCM is highest multiple of all factors, 17 into 23 into 29. When you product these three, how much you can get? 1 1 3 3 9. The product of prime factor. These are the prime factors now. Okay, next third one, 8 9 and 25. So 8 how you can write? 2 into 2 into 2. 9 you can write as 3 into 3. 25 you can write as 5 into 5. So HCF is 1. There is no common factor. What is the common factor now? 1. Okay, next LCM is product of all factors. Okay, highest multiple of all factors. that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 72 5 ja 360, 365 ja 1800. Okay, so the LCM is how much ma? 1800. Fourth one, 72 and 108, 72 108. Okay, 2 36 ja, 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Same 108 also we can write as 254 ja, 2 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So first SCF. What is the SCF in prime factors method na? Take that common least common multiple factors. Okay, in these two numbers, what are the prime factors? 2 and 3. Okay, here 2 is multiple how many times? 3 times. Here 2 is multiple how many times? 2 times. So what the list? 2 times of 2. Next common factor is what ma? 3. Here 3 is multiple how many times? 3 times. Here 2 times. So what the list? 2 times of 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Next LCM. Here quite opposite to SCM. Highest multiple of all factors. So highest multiple, 2 is multiple 3 times, here 2 times. 3 is 2 times, here 3 times. So what the highest? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 72 3 ja 216. So the LCM is 216, SF is 36. Here we can do that simple process. Just circle what the common factors. We can put the circle. So this is the SCF. LCM is what? The product of remaining factors. That is the LCM. Okay ma? So next ma 306, 657. So 306, 102. Next 3 4. Next 2 17. Next 17 1. Okay, so 306 we can write as 3 into 3 into 2 into 17. Next 657. Okay, it is not divided with 2 ma. Why? The last digit is 7. Next 3 ma. 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. Next 3 7 ja, 3 ja. Next 7 3 1 ja. So 3 into 3 into 73. So SCF is least common multiple factors. So what is the common factor here? 3. Total how many factors are there? 3, 2, 17, 73. Okay, so here 3 3 ja 9. Next LCM, highest multiple of all factors, that is 3 into 3 into 2 into 17 into 73. LCM is 2 2 3 3 8. Okay, so SCF is 9, LCM is 2 2 3 3 8.